Well, good afternoon, YouTubers, friends, friendly neighbors. Well, just had a splendid lunch over at Top Dogs Hot Dogs and Family Restaurant in Dearborn, Michigan. Had a beautiful fish dinner. They allowed no taping inside, which I understand their privacy. Went to the eye exam today at America's Best. You get 2 pairs of glasses for $68. When you're done, you actually pay a lot more than $68. 2 pairs of glasses, progressive lenses, non-scratch. Ended up running me like $400 and some odd dollars. But that's the burden of having to wear glasses. So, now off to the grocery store, then to the chiropractor. Beautiful chiropractor. Still recovering from that accident. Back's bruised still. Vertebrae bruised. He said, I'll do x-rays today and see what else happens. Well, until then, stay safe and watch some crazy drivers in any part of the world you're in. If it's snowing, go slow. Better to arrive home alive than dead. I've seen enough dead bodies into this month. So, stay safe. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, share. Help my channel grow. Thank you.